Heals and hydrates dry, damaged hair. Improves elasticity and prevents future breakage. Promotes long-lasting, healthier hair. Product description. Keratin Silk Infusion is a powerful reconstructing complex that heals and hydrates dry, damaged hair. While natural keratin rebuilds the hair's cuticle, silk penetrates deep into the hair to retain moisture and smooth the cuticle. This unique compound dramatically improves elasticity and prevents future breakage, while adding intense hydration that restores softness and shine. Brand story. Haircare and tools are manufactured by Farouk Systems, a Houston-based company. Ingredients. Cyclopentasiloxane, Cyclotetrasiloxane, Dimethiconol, keratin amino acids, hydrolyzed silk, Argania Spinosa kernel oil, Simmondsia Chinensis, jojoba, seed oil, glycerin, hydrolyzed Ceratonia Siliqua seed extract, maize, corn, starch, Guar Hydroxypropyltrimonium chloride, Palicoternium 7, C1215 alkyl benzoate, Phenoxyethanol, fragrance, Parfum, Hexyl cinnamol, linalool, butylphenyl methylpropanol, geraniol, citronellol, limonene, citral. Directions. Apply a small amount onto the palm of your hand. Work evenly deep into the hair to retain moisture and achieve a smooth texture. Leave in and style hair as needed. Top reviews from the United States. Worth the money. It's the best hair serum I ever had, lightweight and doesn't leave your hair oily, it keeps your hair soft and shiny and prevent the frizziness, it also smells very good and lasts for months. Totally recommend it.